Okay guys, so we got a liquid damaged iPhone 6s and got sent in just the motherboard, so I just quickly threw it in the holder here. Right away I can see some damage around the backlight drivers, so we're just going to go ahead and yank those off. I did hook it up to the power supply quickly, and it does have a short on VCC main. Let's just go ahead and get these drivers off and see how they look underneath. They're taking a bit of time to come off, so I'm expecting to see some corrosion over there. You can see, oh yeah, you can see the audio IC also. Oh, yeah, so there's corrosion under both of those. Okay, so we'll go ahead and set those aside. You stay there. You're not my flyaway. See if we could just quickly find the flyer. No. Well. We're skipping. Alright, going into the ether. Okay, so let's just go ahead and get those cleaned up. This is just for data anyways, so. iPhone 6s Plus, that's what it is. Just go ahead and clean that up. Okay, and let's just go ahead and clean that with some alcohol. Okay. So let's go ahead and see if this cleared our short or not. It may have. A lot of it. Drawing 9 milliamps now. Let's go ahead and take off that audio IC there too. Pretty clean under there, eh? Alright. Well, could be NFC. It could be. So let's just go ahead and hook it up to a screen and a battery and a charge flex. Just see. Or even let's just go ahead and hook it up to the screen. So let me get you guys in the out-of-scope view there. So we're just going to hook it up to the screen. Oh, hey, but that did clear our short. Totally good now. So let's see, we should boot, but without backlight. Okay, because I took both the backlight drivers off. There we go. I see Apple logo. Okay, so this is on its way to being solved. Show you. Just gonna wait and let it fully boot, and then I'm gonna actually clean up the one backlight driver and toss it on there. So this we should have half backlight. Because these plus models have 2 backlight circuits. Oh, I can't tell if it fully booted or not. Okay, let's go ahead and put the backlight driver back on. I have to clean that up. Okay, so first thing we'll do is try and clean up any of the dirt that's there. Okay, let's throw some flux down. Okay. You want to hold it with your finger so it's less likely to chip. If you hold it with the tweezers, it can slip and then break. Okay. Let's see if that'll be good enough. We're gonna try it. It's a little more clean. Let's go to a little more clean. There we go. Okay, beautiful. Okay, so what is this 6S backlight driver? Is it? Okay, let's usually use these new, so forgive me. That'll work. It's more than 4x. It's less than 4x5, but okay, so just rebuild this backlight driver. Okay, good. Okay, I'll just hit that with some flux. Beautiful. Alright, so let's bring the board back in. Not sure if I clean the board yet or not. Really, a little bit. Not fully though. Okay. Set that aside. Okay, so now go ahead and clean this board. The rest of the way. Okay. So okay, beautiful. Now we'll just get our orientation and we'll put the chip down. So just gonna check the board view here quickly. 6S plus. Backlight driver on the left side, A1. Flip that bad boy. Give it a bang. Wrong day, sorry, I had to double check. Okay. Alright, so whoop. Okay, here we go. Okay, beautiful. Now let's see. Should have partial backlight now. And I think we will get the charge flex out. Okay. Let's put the charge flex on this time. And the battery, so we don't have the rebooting of the power supply. Let's get this on. Okay, so let's get you guys out of scope here. Boom. Okay, so you can see this phone's powering on now. Let's see if it'll fully boot. Come on, baby, boot. Taking a long time here. Success does boot a little bit slower these days, I suppose, but I'm just going to plug it up to the computer so that I can hear when it connects to the computer. Just unplug the wall block here. I'm going to open up iTunes on the computer. Okay. Well, it did drop to not charging, which it would do when it has a computer connection that hasn't been trusted. So it's not taking good charge current uh, plugged into the wall block, though. Do, 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 do. Could go for NFC next. Let's leave it for a minute here. We did take the audio IC off, so... Oh! What just happened there? It's not that it rebooted, right? This is a long time. This is a long time, but I'm inclined to leave it. Yeah, man. Hey! Patience pays off. Look at that. Boom shakalaka. We just need the passcode and we can get the data. Okay, so turn the slide down so you guys can get a better view there. There you go. Okay, guys, see that? Oh, there you go. All right, so let's see if we can get the passcode now. Oh, shit. Battery came unplugged. Well, anyways, thank you guys for watching. I'm gonna get the passcode and back this up. So I'm sure you guys don't want to wait for that. I'm just gonna get my Instagram photo once this turns on again, and hopefully we have the passcode. So thanks for watching, and hope you guys learned something. Those are common things to get hit with liquid damage, okay? Because they have a lot of current going through them.